So DJI came with a classic version of the Mavic 3 drone, which is an accessible variant of the original Mavic 3. By comparing it with the Mavic 3, this affordable one brings all of the advanced features to more users. For this classic drone only, you have to pay $1469, and if you combine it with the DJI RC, the price bumps to $1749. So let's see what you're exactly getting on this reasonable drone. Design-wise, there are no such changes except for the telephoto lens. Yes, the Mavic 3 Classic comes without the telephoto lens that was featured on the original Mavic 3. Anyway, the good thing is, you're getting the same 4x3 CMOS 20MP allowing you to capture professional-grade footage with 5.1K resolution at 50 FPS. The sensor you're getting is from Hasselblad along with its true color gradients, so there will be no compromises in detail when capturing photos and videos. You also have the option to record with 4K at 60 FPS, while the slow motion can be captured at 120 FPS. Furthermore, the Mavic 3 Classic is equipped with 12-bit raw image color depth to ensure more vibrant footage. It also has an adjustable aperture of f-stop 2.8 to f-stop 11. To make your footage even more engaging, the Mavic 3 Classic supports Active Track 5.0, quick shots, time-lapse, panorama, and hyperlapse shooting. With the cruise control feature, you can fly the Mavic 3 Classic without having to continuously press the control stick. In terms of flying this drone, it has plenty of safety features. And the first important thing to mention is, the Mavic 3 can fly through hazardous routes independently, all thanks to the APAS 5.0 obstacle avoidance feature. With this feature, your drone stays safe from every possible angle. By any chance, if you lost the signal of your drone, there's no need to worry, because it can return home automatically just by pressing a single button. Also, the Mavic 3 Classic comes with an AirSense ADS-B feature to detect nearby airplanes or helicopters. Moreover, DJI's Geo 2.0 geofencing provides information about local airspace restrictions. For powerful video transmission, DJI includes O3 Plus, which can transmit live feed with 1080p at 60 FPS in a distance of up to 15 kilometers. Also, the decimeter level high precision positioning allows you to keep your Mavic 3 Classic extremely stable while hovering, so this will help you to get buttery smooth footage with long exposure. Regarding the battery life, the Mavic 3 Classic can fly for up to 46 minutes, allowing you to get more creative footage without worrying about the battery life. Anyway, you can also use other Mavic 3 series batteries to fly the drone. As we mentioned earlier, the Mavic 3 Classic will cost you $1469, but you cannot fly this drone without a remote controller. So, if you add DJI RC-N1 remote, the price will go up to $1599, whereas you can buy the original Mavic 3 drone at $2049. Considering its price and the features that you're getting, we think this is not a bad deal at all. In short, it's true that the Mavic 3 Classic reduced the gap between the beginner and professional drone user by coming at an affordable price. Now yes, we know that there are lots of advanced features in it, but considering its price tag, we think the DJI Mini 3 Pro or Air 2S is a much more great choice to go for. So, that's all from us today. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.